sacrifice we are going to vote to choose our leader.
Okay.
So when we say ampono most start active say then election there we will fear. In fact, nobody wants to risk his life. On getting shade just like that because to aba. To see a baby leader. More be a juma. Jipenia obedi Ghana suma ya sumja. Na penny for ye must say amombo my Ghana. Build your mind Ghana na mutu tutio cause a confusion anyway there. Naturally say more patches say ebia power na ye de mam mubino.
For any adofono mema obibia akwaba ede eba too much GHS so Ghana wahala jumedie enamunu aba epiesi kapa enenso mede ebe somo ade chibia yete ensemfo na say 20 years so de yenyai echeswa de biara eda na ene de ensem ababeto apno so eye enada ena MP for ewutu senya east eye mami Mavis Hawa Koomson wo call kaswa empotemo baby voters registration yi bi ekoso wo ne empotemo honum ema etu tutuo ekoko kasa ye wo ho na ebiemu nsusu no ene wo ma ye spray pepper spray wo mo ani wo ma ye hye wo mo motorbikes nsusu yini nyina ekoko da eso wo enate ni nyina ekoko da adie wo honum na etu tutuo na kasa na nsema eba ye na dodo na esusu se maame no nkrofo a woni wo mo ekoye sa bia ye ho na ma o mo tututo na so ye maame ababonten a wono susu echemu se wono ene kokotu etu no na ensem we de abusuafo emu enchiremu e wo ho na moye kohwe video ne ba ye de babremu
Man cause I said yanchi will be our yes, and next time, call us on so bad. You see, you know, honorable nation, Thomas Mabia, some for us back at me. Mammy, yes, interview from a castle and a Fiamrana, Anglo Gold Mine. Also, and the most story we buy, and that's your so. But before then, crime Pelly, a branch of Aqua. And yashini moto ya nyese iso buaka sabo yeso hwe na nimu moja ni tinwa papa ya yeni ya waya ntino sa to no but kwame mache morning na anopai etsen waso anopai ni ekro na ose motorbikes na ya she no ehube ebatani eba ne saying ebato and was now down for this of the garanta. And I'm quite they are packing motor. Now, that's it. Or Munya Echo, in Jason or Musa Subai, in Tomubai, no more saying no page motor, no more to actually. And I'm sorry, I'm Commissar Adaga. I don't know where motor is of the source of Mutana. I think what I said, I may be no. The one way to spray, I want to go to. No, this payment, in the person or spend me, see me, no. In a good con. The second one I'm saying, I'm no, the good it's me call for no, didn't the person, a bomb in Yasi. The one I'm saying, other guy who support tree is Gia. Oh, the bam so it's me so me to car and I'm the journey. You need to make it almost a motor no. And you mean one motor. Now I'm watching motor no. So I'm no me a man say bam. Oh yeah, minimum what MTNDC for para MPP for kwaran. No, also when you mom now dey ehunu baby omo free party omo edon. Honorable our country, esi free that can now move to free free. In the most you must know for now, Oma the party omuka. Nyabutre car ede MP minister ebaye no saka na mu na mrantie na ombashi motorbikes no esifiri mu no kwampele asema wokai no no kra wuhu ne saa
guy no o etia o top yellow rasta
osifiri the same car Hawa Koomson esifiri mu no
that's not Mudi Bayern. And one be no secret.
No, only how many cars never am.
I would be anyway. Some small car be ash back, pick up black back. No Mudi Bayern.
Oh, I see. Into the San Mantianing now, and the MP no Anna a bar registration center home.
If I try.
It's San Mantiana, or more treasure to a motorbikes in him.
If I try.
Na MP no hobby.
If I try or hobby.
Oh, who yeah?
Oh, yeah. And yeah, MP in the boat room. And the place now on your moon.
If I try, your Musa, it you was them since in Abutre. Your Musa, it you was them. They come motorbikes and also MP no boys and Anna, a treasure to motorbikes in him.
Rasta guy no.
Rasta guy na oka Hawa Koomson hono.
If I try.
Oh, I see.
We must start that issue. We just cost me a cost. If you want to mother defending moto. Now, what that is almost claiming.
Now, I didn't say no catch your auntie. Ebia, what Oman to Oman say more spray.
If you go to my party or my pioneer gravels. In terms of parking motorbike, and not cabins from the parking or carnage. In the fact, what carnage in the party and potting out, Jana here. In the Jana Samitino, in the other 1 hour time, you use a canoe. Eba. In the Musi Canoe, or Musa Mutuniswana, or Master Person Mutunutu. Namcato, Miss Sam Cato, Sanis. Oh yes, I look so similar now.
Na answer na omo beba ono. Na edi na ekoso registration center ho.
Answer beba not only the
Na onu ni edi ya dede bi eni o.
Ah, dede eni o. Policeman no ebe numbers no 51 to 50. Into 51 na ko no. Ntomo munya no ka show mu se 51 no ka 51 ni se. Omunya nkofi nti by 12:30 no mumbra tatana 15 pressure na ba from kaka no mu ai this index numbers in now we remember 10 minutes na omusu bae
o na tsa mo na mo okra no na mo no so mo ba ni pa ba 50
yeah about 50 but or check numbers to 50
yeah
you know see other numbers from 51 aircon into omono ombeko fi na ya 50 into me 50 ni ya na if you about 12 no maba na ya show mu into policeman check numbers no real inside wa best 10 minutes na on na subae obai o sifi kan no real inside wo into rest o mo ka to mu ka si bibia o Rana rasta guy no see car no moto no or two moto na actually.
There we honorable by no idea some no dey buy
honorable by me na meti Jana sentiment na me ni bibi omule no mu no school nti o dey man farmers farm ko.
Ntuan tie bia ensam o keka wo registration center ho.
Ipa choda.
Basa na also ba be guarantee am obi.
Ipa choda me say na madam do ni so.
Oh I see.
Introduction kon be frame no apply it. Madam na me Jana si.
Oh I see. Na call oba onu hu.
Ipa cho oba emi hu ye.
Onu so e dey na man ni be pie ho.
Oba mu frame e ka chere se gidi bi ko. Então su ba no. Mi de ye da me su shi shin ntino. Me ntimi ambe ai ti komona o ye. Okay, mi jina ntino ni police for no kasa. Ni de komona mu di ye. Ni ko nya me ni mu di. Mantinia.
etuo eto ewo ho.
If I try.
When I was out to him.
Etonu. Driver
Ben.
Honorable driver.
Minister Hawa Koomson, the driver no.
If I try.
And I was out to him.
Or no. Any other guy be only the me. Another guy no. Any other guy be so no mukite via.
Hey. Let's say honorable Urban. And no nkwana nenam ono the driver and there's another vehicle and the DHR na emranti ogum.
If I try.
Na police worker
Omuvaswa. What said because car near tinted anything. Or my road glass.
Yeah. Oh, I say, but almost see my moving for work on him.
Omono honorable CM. Ntomomu wakazi mwana ntomu se mutu sapati pakoro ino muji se bia bimufu produce abao a musu babe didenye midi ntimoto sunu eba nsana muso muye mutu nsana nko ya meji sana semu no yi pepespe
I say
no baby ami hu ni poda ntina no kwaya report to police station no na mi charge yeah, about so in the all I'm coca church here. Then a deep perspective
good. And for now, you arrest woman. What may identify your deep perspective and you know, and in your share motorbike in your mom.
Rasta guy, no, or deep perspective woman. That this woman or share green. On obewa ti rasta guy no kakra ono no kwatwi aba one thinkers biano eno no mu kitita no mu di chinti me
and o say sa boys na ya arrest omo na wetin identify emutu no omo yina na omo kan Hawa Koomson ne convoy ne home
if I try
2 out of the 4 now. Police for arrest Oma. Yes, sure, I'm papers no. I say, but start to now so here no. Omo kan Hawa Koomson team no home.
If I try.
Omo ne Hawa Koomson ne buy.
If I try, omo Hawa Koomson ne buy.
Kwame Pele ma ya na wase anopay ono ya victim of a the Kaswa incident I call so Step to Christ registration center Mavis Hawa Koomson okay Ana so what
so senior no tutu nimpo
I say
but the man tie na obi na chi no na control man adwuma man control mo and o mu be adwuma
Debbie
no question mo say o man nkasa no o say ayi owabra kwa no di nkomo ni nyina ko wie de ya ka no
oh yes
senya me som ya se ni nyina ko wie odo ne fana de bia o nya musumo oba o man mu
o yonko se ho
akatabi se o man krono wo fana nyere wo fana odo ne katabi bia o nya bone
sa
ena ba mamu nso a atantire na eya adwuma na wo kra ne ya adwuma sister no kwadna dana kwamu we ya say ya kan kra ene ya mo say abafo ni ma abai e betima ya friends yi o be say computer so
oh yeah
sister me betima ya no online na nka bibi akoso bat ya kan kra
ewa yan konkrete ani mu kakra na afuma bebusa wo ba Clementina ase na Quenshiba me so say kwamna ma che
Abusia for me sanso emamo akwa baby Miss Mexical enene de me no eba abetwetwe nkomo oba Messi ma akwa ba
mini aba me je oso
empomboko
ya mi adom na wonso e
ya mi adom nso me ho ye
me de rade ase
oba Messi ye hwe ye mame obi a wo ye special development initiative minister ebiem so ye MP Emma Ewusu Senya West Senya story na ye ni ye na esu awodan na die etututu akoso na pepespe ye hwegu nkrofo ni hye nkrofo ka megidi se wetie abrantie na enioma course no so ye victim of it no wetin ne sem dey na betimi aka fa ho
Miniaba too much etiefo ne ahwefo mechia mu nyina Miniaba se de na ekoso de enye kra o ne ekoso enye emfa kwemu kra emfa kwemu adenti na honorable besa se ne enya be meyi kan de se eyampa se adwumedie we nyina actions we nyina koso de a na very bad enya adi a yesi yeso so kra wo bebia embra no one is above the law embra ye ejuma because se woka se who defend won ho a then na koso attack be no bia be attack o una yesi me kasan meti se yesi na de bia ni wa se register no be sacrificing the life as sacrificing the time is money or bibi a we jato se na ni kokomoti power anti ene me be me ID card na ene me they supporting the development of Ghana enu nti no na ene okonya amane okonya amane se de hunti obi suete pa odi ato ni moto a ebi odi eye ne round to kwejuma oh ebi enye okada kwan odi ye ebi enu no odi kwejuma ba na wama nipa yi moto we lusi ni moto sa se mini aba entwa ye nsem bi wo Ghana ase wuntimi nka akoye mpenifo nti wo ka na wuntimi ndika but na asem na se dika
na me pese mi hunu say because of say oye MP wasaye honorable enti no obetimi de mra hye ne nsa aye de wo pebia na
Miniaba, me kase musa wote se me kase no one is above the law. When it comes to the law, nobody is above the law. Who are we quitting in Brabia, say branding new di? Well, say for what reason? Say you be PA registration center and to kwam course so confuse Shibian course so by I will say what to say what time for be about like a microphobia we against you about what sorry ne wo bodyguards ne yi any embremu security ne di wechi bawo boys are they are not known and as a driver like they are bawo for be shoot gun shoot no Ghana is for peace Ghana we are for peace we have to let peace reign we should I see a year and you may be a peace but violent and fans and secret yenfa violent and build the shade yet they are sumjeni or done in carbon near the equanim and I did in kind and this tolerate san yoma way and then nya sumjeni a pe organa and your development near pe organa near pe basa ye and they may be the third war
na chese metiwasi ya mami mami Mavis Hawa Koomson na chese or demonstrating the violence in her.
Me pauchon ai. Say obia sorry na say or sorry call registration maybe a man for agada say be an atam for akon to ko shutu ko e basa wa. Do you think there will be peace in Ghana? There will not be peace. It is not any day promoting peace and a promoting say you are doing your work. This one doesn't speak any good thing about her say or ye ne juma na
say the constituency.
Yes, but who got to do so? Then I say me be register and say me otiora be come me woody and I say metina me be adwem man to aba when they be say man to aba.
Registration e den sem bebre e na eba because enye eho enko me bebre wo ho no ma ya tete nsensem bebre wo hwe na no de esi ya police ni bo oba bia so ni ya kwakwa ye say voters ID ya they have a motive behind it and I say they have something behind it it's not a good intention and I say na so hu no sifa
oh nipa ni suni de nipa ye suni ye ban e say ban sa and say just registration just some few minutes abakwa spend wo ho no okay all this shouldn't happen but I say baby anipa wo bia ya na enyoma bi say to me see but me person me busa Ghana for say see a registration po na ye tutu ya basa ya be ma ye shishi motos na election day there Yeah, bad election day, the bad day.
Helicopters, yeah, the one in the room.
Yes, that's in so I'm no crown, son, election day, new cross because it's a bit put it some panic and now fear in into the citizens say. Sacrifice we are going to vote to choose our leader.
Okay.
So when we say Ampono, most start active say then election there. We will fear. In fact, nobody wants to risk his life. On gaining shade just like that because yeah, to aba. Yeah, to see a baby leader. Yeah, more be a juma. Yeah. Jipenia obedi Ghana so my assume job. Now penny for ye must say mumbo my Ghana. Yeah, build your mind Ghana na move to tutio cause a confusion anyway there. Naturally say more patches say ebia power na ye de mam mubino. Wrong say de mamu.
Okay. Now another day a security expert Professor Kwesi Enim Ababonte call for the dismissal of the member of parliament. Say yen dismissing no the bota yen na say wotimi nya the audacity so we could shoot etuo ewo registration center honum no if she fails to resign yen dismissing no say one resign nsema work no no kwan so anu no e was sa na enko
action don't say ye penny for no some ye bibi na when put on writer any incoming one no
will also follow.
They will follow.
Yeah.
Omunya that seat now they don't care doing what the first person did.
Okay.
Action or taking is not called for. A very bad, very bad action to the extent on one sabba out. And yen in call any be more and call you ever say oh call a drink ignorant being a more active and more active that way because they be all protecting my men and you put them can be ever consider say oh my many idea be about what they did and anchor or okra she will not support that but she came out herself to say why should you put power in your hands and who was there to shoot you me dem video no audio ni mu kasa na me gina so or say na basa yo bia ni wo enye basa ye bia ekoso na mama me ni two sana mo no but I don't know for any reason ko bi onya ye ni ade na ma ne ba obeyesa but anyway the way you're acting you know it wasn't right.
Professor Kwesi Enim
if any law like that is there, no one is above the law.
Okay.
Send a beya esuadie ama afofro emri bia omo etu actibi and draw video be a call so Nigeria government minister back with this car wo mu aye question na
collapse charges are they born or collapse
such a person or free I don't think so be artist and also obi ekra kojina ne ekotena the city so obe hwe ni hu ye because he was really embarrassed to the extent because people were even screaming act then no no one is above the law. It is a who per se nipa edi ni die ma na position bi a wo ukra ni hu ye se won so ma ubu hu na so ye nyoma se ne se na efata
so ye nyoma se ne ese na efata ye de yansem no eba na wie futu ben dem na obetimi de ama eye womo ehwe yen womo wa adwemu po bi ya hye womo se constituency we hu se registration for no edu won ma monkoye basabasa ye monkonkoye de ense emfata no efuto ben na de bomo mo so etwen womo ho afiri de ebekoso no emu
mini abaska pamida wase obi bia obenya chance akọ registration center so wo register me pa wo chokona ko register o family do enkoye basabasa ubu awako free o mo obi a mislead you ma won live life bia wo obehwe won kwa ana wo be regret wo ho wasamado ma weni nda wo ye ne eseni ne fata uko register ne free wo ma peni bia amfa ne sika influence wo because ikano ye betu ye beda na eja woman influence wa utimi ensisa sika amfa nko asamado beja wako enti mema obi amfa ne ha mbesoa wo mema obi amfa ne ha emba mbesoa wo ma weni nda wo ukwa fasum je na ye mpanifo no nso ye pamochow ye hwemo ye hwenti na ye beto aba edigi mu enti moma monya ade a mo be ye role models a ye tena baby a ye be ka mo asempa na say ye benya mo ho anije na ye mfa violent and build and chechi baby o mind bia ye de asumudie enti sa afa de say etu amu shutu for defense ne de na mo maye ya mo asefo no ye sure say election day ko be kwa vote obi abefa ne ho adwen na obi afa ne ho adwen so a o man ne ye nka ho a enye ye
o man no ye nka ho a enye ye Miss Mexica medawa no asiye pa ewo eye nso afutu a wode ama eye omamu no enyina ebusuafo aha ene ye de dwumadie no esie subscribe to your channel no share your videos nso na like your videos mia adoma no so se de nya upload video bia nso etimi anya notification ewo wo phone or laptop anasa wo tablet eso na nso so etimi de wadwentra wo fa ensem no ho no atu edwa ye mami ne ye esu ne eban a wodan na die ye enrada ewo eye kaswa registration center no ho bi no eye anase enye eno ho nsem ene yesi hu konya nti nso adwentre bi a wo no nso betimi ede aba ede amaye me amede dwumade ho chia memedin ene ekwesi kapa mene Miss Mexica ene twetwen enkomo na ha na yedi besi dasane ye besane hia
chacha on se me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much gh on se me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase ye pe wo wi ase ya asonden ti na adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade kat won na bomoden na be hwe too much gh be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma pe a wo pe ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame shira